Right, welcome back ladies and gentlemen. So today we're using quite a unique machine, not one that I've seen for quite a long time.
Yeah.
Hoover.
Not in England anyway.
You what, sorry?
Not in England anyway.
No, you won't get these in England. Fuck you now. It's a Hoover Electra 530 dual spin. These have quite a unique motor, don't they? They have.
Yeah, so the reason why they were called the Electras is because they've got an electronically controlled motor, which you can hear particularly when it's distributing. So each tumble of the distribute is then electronically increased to 100 RPM, and then it stops and it goes back the other way and does it again, where it slowly increases it to 100 RPM and then slows it down, and then when it's ready to spin it just starts to tumble and then clicks across and then jumps into spin. So
what we're going to do is we're going to do a little spin at 800 RPM,
just a little
which
spin.
is down here. Funny enough, they actually label this spin dry 500 and then spin dry 800, don't they?
Of all the washers that I've got, this is my favourite control dial.
Yeah?
That's it.
Are you going to put a towel in there?
Just to see some, just because it's a black
Oh.
door seal, so you get be able to see it better.
It's pretty good. My exposure's up a little bit more. So I'm actually going to try and leave the dial in, because it will click through here and to then into this bracket here where it says off.
Yeah.
So we just tested this off camera to make sure it definitely did work.
So you can see now it's increasing the distribute, and that's it. It's got to 100 RPM. It'll stop,
One click.
and then it'll go back the other way. Increasing to 100.
I'll do one click.
Yeah. Then click across to 800 RPM. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's loud.
That is lovely, isn't it?
Oh, jeez. Oh. I don't know. How... It's a 4-minute spin on these.
So that's the first stage.
Yeah, 4-minute spin on the 800 section. It's about a 30-second stage on the 500 one, I think. Yeah, it's really like super gentle and brief.
Yeah. Sweet. Second stage. Next click it does, I think it will stop. There we go. There we go. Right, thanks for watching.